Heya, here's my immersed Java moss setup 22-liter with CO2-fed harsh reactor. This is my harsh CO2 generator, using sugar water and yeast. 40-watt LED lights 12 hours a day. I took one Java moss ball out of my tank and cut it all up into smaller pieces and spread all over the Java pads to promote growth. What it was like when I started. Now 4 weeks later. Started to grow out and lots reaching for the light. Now I'm adding some 3D printed 80mm stilts to the bottom of the 3D printed moss pads to get a bit closer to the light. Stilts on. 15 to go. All done. Now time to make a new CO2 mix-up and see how we get on in 2 weeks.